Food has literally become an art on Instagram. Look around. It's not just about eating anymore, it's about aesthetics. From bright green matcha lattes to over top charcuteries boards, these things bring everywhere in 2025. And people aren't just posting them, they're even going viral. Now, if you want to write a blog about breaking this down, why matcha or why charcuterie, you would normally have to spend hours writing, formatting, finding the perfect pictures, making it SEO friendly, and then finally publishing it. Honestly, most of us don't have that kind of time today. And this is where autoblocking.ai make things crazy. This blog right here, Why Matcha and Charcuterie Boards, was generated in under 3 minutes and I did not write a single word myself. It's fully structured with SEO ready, with proper headings, images, infographics, and if you scroll down, you'll find the relevant YouTube video and FAQs added at the bottom of your blog. Let me show you exactly how I made it step by step. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm using wizard. Think of it like a guided flow. It asks me one thing at a time so I don't get lost or skip anything. By the time I finish, my blog is ready to generate. Article title, I'm going to type here why matcha and charcuterie board rule Instagram in 2025. Next, article language. Now, autoblogging supports 30 different languages. That means if you've got readers in Spain, French, Spanish, Hindi, Italian, and more, you can publish the same blog in their language without translating it yourself. But for this one, I'm going to keep it English. Next, article length. For this one, I'm going to pick medium. That way, each trend is explained clearly without dragging the blog too long. Other lengths are short, which is like a quick and a snackable update, and long is for deep dive guides or SEO heavy content. Next, type of article. I'm going to choose informative because it's more of a breakdown explaining the trends. Other types are listicle. It turns a blog into numbered sections like top 10 food trends. And places is built for location based blogs like food guides in a specific city. And service bar landing page is made for businesses promoting services or products. Informative. Next, tone of voice. Now this is basically a point of view in a blog. I'm gonna pick third person here, so the blog explains things neutrally like a guide. Other options are first person, which is writing your own personal story or your experience, and second person if you want to directly talk to the readers. Third person. Next, writing style. I'm going to go with witty here because food trends on Instagrams are fun, so the blog should sound playful. Others are auto, lets AI decide the tone. Less AI words, keep it very simple. Premium style 1 is optimized for SEO. Snippet optimizer is built for ranking in Google featured snippet. Conversational is more friendly approach and professional is more formal and a polished tone. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intents optimize article gives your blog a strong SEO structure with the right headings and keywords. FAQs will automatically add real questions people are searching on Google about food aesthetics and answer them right inside our blog. AI images will generate images automatically, matching the visuals and adds them with an alt text, which is better for SEO. An infographic is built for quick charts or summaries so readers can scan easily. Next, SERP analysis. This is a super important step. See, most people write blogs without knowing what's actually ranking. They just do the guesswork and just publish the blog. But SERP analysis checks the top results on Google for your topic, studies how they are structured, what keywords they use, and then builds your blog with that proven pattern. But with our original content. You just have to enable this. And in the source context box, type in what you want in your article. You can also select the country where you want to rank on top. This is something huge and crazy. Here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition lets your blog flow the same flow as top ranking articles. External link will add links to trusted sources so your blogs look credible. Key takeaways will create a summary box at the end for quick readers, and YouTube video will add a relevant video inside your blog for people to be engaged. Next, AI proofreading. This works like an editor. You just have to enable this and give a guideline here for them. It fixes the grammar, smoothens sentences, and keep the tone consistent automatically. Next, internal linking. This one is huge for SEO. If you have already written other blogs related to a particular blog title, autoblogging will link them inside this new one blog automatically. For example, if you have another blog post about TikTok food trends, it would link it here. That keeps reader moving across your site and tells Google your site is valuable. You just have to enable this and paste your domain here. Rest everything will happen automatically. Next, human proofreading. Now, if you want an actual human to review the blog for tone or fact checks, you can just turn this on and quickly leave a guideline here for them. But for this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase anytime from the dashboard. Now, just hit on Generate Article, click on the History tab, scroll down, and within minutes, you'll get a view like icon here. Click on that. There you go. Your article is ready to publish. It's structured with proper headings, images, infographics, even a relevant video, and FAQs added at the bottom of your blog. And here's a quick tip for next time if you want to be faster. Go to Quick and Single and type your article title here, and with the fewer clicks your blog will be generated. It is just as same as Wizard, and you can also use the bulk generate option. Let's say if you're managing multiple blogs or running an agency, Bulk Generate lets you upload 10, 50 or even 100 titles at once, and auto-blogging will create all of them for you and post it straight to WordPress. Food trends come and go, but with autoblogging.ai, you don't have to waste hours writing about them. You can publish full blogs in minutes, optimized for SEO with visuals included. And if you can't handle it yourself, you can also try a done-for-you blog service where you will give us the topic and we'll deliver the full blog while you focus on your business. If this video helped, hit a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's your favorite Instagram food trend right now.